Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous lectures, we have studied about the Z transform, its some important remarks, definition. Now using that all concepts, we are going to solve some problems on Z transform. So first problem is find the Z transform and its ROC. ROC, what does ROC means? It's region of absolute convergence. This is said to be region for absolute convergence. That means in short it is ROC, right? So we have to simplify the Z transform of given function and find its ROC also, right? So first of all, while finding solutions, the function is given as 2 raised to k for k is greater than or equal to 0, right? For this function, we have to find the Z transform. So this is a function of k. No doubt, this function can be denoted by as a function of k, so it is f of k. What is that function? It is 2 raised to k. Condition is k greater than or is equal to 0. This will be suppose equation number 1. And now while finding Z transform, I will use its definition. So I will write here using Z transform of f of k. So what is the Z transform? Its formula is in terms of summation k lower and upper limits f of k into z raised to minus k, right? Now check here. Here k is greater than or equal to 0. That means values of k are starting with 0 and greater than 0. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So limits for k are 0 to infinity. Now using equation number 1, summation k from 0 to infinity, I will put value of f of k. So from equation 1, what is the value of f of k? It is 2 raised to k. Next, z raised to minus k will be as it is. I have written this by using equation number 1. So I will write here from equation number 1. I have just put value of f of k as 2 raised to k. Remaining part of the problem is as it is. Now this is equal to summation k from 0 to infinity. No doubt it is as it is. And now I will take k outside the bracket as a common. Okay, this is a common index for both. If k is common, so it will be 2, and from z raised to minus k, k is common, so it will be z raised to minus 1, right? Now one by one I have to replace the values of k starting with 0. If bracket raised to first value of k is 0, that means bracket raised to 0 plus second value after 0 it is 1 plus third value it is 2 plus dot dot up to infinity. As there is a summation sign, I have take summation of all the brackets, right? This bracket raised to k plus bracket raised to k plus bracket raised to k plus dot dot up to infinity, because limits of k starting with 0 up to infinity, right? While first value of k I have put 0, so index will be 0, second value is 1, third value is 2. You have to replace all the values up to infinity here. And what is that common bracket? It is 2 into z raised to minus 1. Here also 2 into z raised to minus 1. You have to write all the brackets as it is. Now this is equal to. Now let's have a look here. This bracket, suppose it will be k. I will show to this side. Suppose this bracket is k. So what does it look like? It is x raised to 0. That means 1 plus x raised to 1, that means x, plus x raised to 2, that means x square, plus dot dot up to infinity. And in the previous video we have just discussed about this remark, 1 plus x square dot dot up to infinity. Its formula is 1 upon 1 minus x. Okay, so you have to use this remark now, 1 upon 1 minus x. So this is the solution, 1 upon 1 minus x. So what is x here? X means this bracket again, because this is x raised to 0, x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x means 2 into z raised to minus 1, right? Now this is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus, this 2 will be as it is, and z raised to minus 1, while shifting to denominator of 2, it will be z raised to 1, that is z only. Okay, so z raised to minus 1 is turned to z raised to 1 while shifting to denominator. This is now equal to 1 divided by, taking cross multiplication at denominator, so z into 1 will be z, z minus 2 divided by this denominator z as it is, right? And now this is again equal to this z transferred to numerator, z into 1, it will be z divided by z minus 2. This is the z transform of given function. Okay, so I will write here, that is z transform of given function, which is f of k. And what is f of k? It is what? 2 raised to k. So I will write here z transform of 2 raised to k. This is equal to, its solution is z upon z minus 2, right? And I have to write here region of convergence. So how you can write this region of convergence? While finding region of convergence, you have to just apply your logic. First value out of these two terms in the denominator, first term is always greater than second term. That means first term, it is z, is greater than second term, which is 2. So mod of z is greater than 2. This is the region of convergence for the given problem. Okay, this is the solution for given equation. Now we will solve the example number 2. Find the z transform and its ROC, again region of absolute convergence is to be found of this function 1 upon 3 bracket raised to k. Same condition is provided again, k is greater than or equal to 0, right? Again I will denote the given function as it is the function of k, so it will be f of k. What is the given function? It is 1 upon 3 bracket raised to k. Okay, again condition for k is greater than or equal to 0, equation number 1. Using definition of z transform again, z transform of given function, that means f of k is equal to, its formula is k from lower to upper limit f of k into z raised to minus k, right? As the condition for k is greater than or equal to 0, that means 0 and greater than 0. So it will be 0 and greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to positive infinity, right? Now again from equation number 1, we have to put the value of f of k only, remaining part of the step will be as it is. So I will write here from equation number 1 the value of f of k. And what is the f of k here? It is 1 by 3 whole bracket raised to k. Okay, now simplifying this is now equal to summation over k from 0 to infinity. And again I have to take index k as a common. So inside bracket it will be 1 upon 3 because raised to k is outside the bracket into z raised to minus 1, right? From these two indices, both k are taken as common index outside the bracket. Now put the value of k one by one. If I put first value of k equal to 0, so bracket raised to 0 is there. Okay, so this is 1 upon 3 into z raised to minus 1. Summation, so after every bracket you have to put plus sign, and the summation is starting with 0, that means k equal to 0, index will be raised to 0, second value 1, third value 2, dot dot up to infinity, because last value is up to infinity. and all the brackets are same, that means 1 by 3 z raised to minus 1. Now using same remark as a last problem, bracket raised to 0, that means it is 1 plus bracket raised to 1 plus bracket raised to 2 plus dot dot up to infinity. And I have to write here that common bracket 1 by 3 z raised to minus 1. Here also 1 by 3 z raised to minus 1. Right. Now again it is look like as 1 plus x raised to 1 means x plus x square plus x cube, and its solution is what? It is 1 upon 1 minus x, and x means that bracket 1 by 3 z raised to minus 1. Okay, now left hand side will be as it is, that means z transform of f of k, this is equal to this left hand side I have kept as it is, only change is there at the right hand side of the equation. So this is now 1 divided by 1 minus this one as it is, while this z raised to minus 1 shifted to denominator, it will be z raised to 1, right? So 3 into z raised to 1, it is what? 3 into z, because 3 is also at denominator, it get multiplied to that z. Now taking cross multiplication, 3z into 1, it is 3z minus 1 as it is, denominator will be as it is. Bracket will continue, this is equal to 3z is transferred to numerator now, 3z into 1, it becomes 3z divided by 3z minus 1, right? Or you may take z as a common, so this is equal to 3z divided by, while taking 3 common from the denominator, so inside bracket first term will be z, but 3 cannot be common from the second term of denominator, so you have to divide that term 3, and this 3 now multiply divide again cancel. Okay, now this is equal to z divided by z minus 1 divided by 3. This is the required z transform of given function with region of convergence. So what will be region of convergence? ROC, mod of z is greater than 1 by 3, that means first value is greater than second value. This is said to be region of convergence. This completes the z transform of the given function 1 by 3 raised to k for the given condition k greater than or equal to 0. I think both the problems are easy to understand to you. If any difficulty in it, ask freely. Okay, thank you.